Well, today the weather is really nice. You see my shadow here a little bit. And you see, so we're gonna have this brassworth, short ribs, and some tri-tip here. So of course, don't forget that. That's the most important thing in the warm weather. And again, look who's getting sunbathing. She wanna get sunburned, he said. You enjoying your sun?
Huh?
Enjoying the sun?
Yes.
So this is my outdoor area, and you can see, hey, look at that, it still work. So get that going. It's burning hot, and it doesn't look pretty, but it's okay, it works. So that's all it matters. Now we can enjoy the steak together later. And inside here you're gonna have the look at that, long beans. This is a long string beans salad. It's called tam tua, no? So that should be really good. Just have you what? And of course, you cannot have it without that right there. That's a sticky rice. Cornmeal, okay? Should be really good. What a beautiful day today. I think we get up to 75 degrees today. So it's a really, really light breeze. But in the sun, it's really warm today. This is a view from our famous backyard. You can see, wait, oh, who's there? Nope, someone's enjoying her sun bathing right there. With her nails, of course.เอานี่ใส่ก่อนเนาะสกินอันนี้ก่อนสกินคาโบนามัสเตอร์กับซาวคราวเนาะนี่เนาะแซ่บหลายอันนี้ของเจ้าของ brassworth. This is ใส่อัวของมันนะแบบเจอมันนี่เนาะ brassworth นี่โอ้แซ่บเลยนี่นะgonna soak on it now. It's almost done. Oh, it tastes so good. So we have 5 pieces, so we slice it up for everybody. So this is mine. Right, this is that's all you need. This will be a really good. Look at that. And taste it with sauerkraut. Oh. Perfect snack.
แบบไอ้
แซ่บหลายจนลืมเบิ่งเมื่อกี้นี่ ขับขนาดที่เราซิ้นสเต็กออกมาให้ถ่ายรูปละมือนะ แซ่บขนาดกินละลาก็แซ่บก็ว้าวพอดีเลย Don't need to add anything. Really good. Hello.
Thank you.
One mustard? Mustard.
Yeah.
More sauerkraut right here. What you want to put out in the sun? How's that look?
Great. Thank you.
Good?
Tastes
Yeah?
really good.
Wow.
Want to put it here with it right in the sun?
No, it's fine. It was too bright.
And we just put this on so we can have that while it's hot. Looks so good. Let's see. So we got some a lot of vegetable there, and we have spicy string beans, and of course this is hot off the grill. And coffee. Coffee 2 and a, was it 3? 2? so you're having good fun? Was that good? Yeah. And it's actually warm today, so we have to put up the umbrella. Can you imagine that in February? Because someone didn't like the sun. This is how you eat. With your hands, take your rice, Laotian way, okay? Look. Dip in the sauce. This is really good. Look at that. It sucks in the juice. Oh, look at that. It's dripping. And you chase it with the steak. Wow.
เหงื่อออกแล้ว
Yeah. Oh, it's really good.
ครับ
เป็นลีไก่ก็คือกัน
Woo, it's good.
โอ้ย
Look at that. เข้าก็กินอิ่มละหมดละซีนนะปิ้งแต่2-3 ตัวนะไม่ได้กินอะไร This steak was really good. So the string bean salad is really good too. So look, someone is falling asleep there. He's enjoying her sun. So it's getting a little bit warm actually right now. So you can see. But anyway, thank you for staying with us. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that little button, subscribe for us, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. She's gonna fall asleep pretty soon. She's having her red wine.